How to combine names into an email address. All right, new challenge. Say you're given a list of 100 names, reads like George Orwell's communist hit list, and you're told to turn each name into an email address. Typing them one at a time? No thanks. We're not merciless. We have spreadsheets and caffeine. So, you need to turn Chipmunk into an email address. Let's bring back our friend CONCAT Excel's version of duct tape. Go to the cell where the email should appear. Hit the equal sign like your pay raise depends on it. Type CONCAT. Note, newer Excel versions use CONCAT. Older Excel uses CONCATENATE, the long dramatic version. Type open brackets, select cell, C4, comma. Note, this next part really depends on your company's email format. In my imaginary company, which is probably bankrupt, the format is firstname.lastname, so I type quotation mark dot quotation mark. In your workplace, it might be a hyphen, an underscore, a random number, or the sound of your soul leaving your body. If your company uses nothing at all, then leave nothing like you're covering up a crime scene. I mean, literally. You can leave out the quotation marks and dot altogether, but leave the comma where it is. The comma never hurt anyone. At worst, it just sleeps. After that second quotation mark, type a comma. Then D4, last name, comma again. Now give us another quotation mark. Type the @ symbol and your domain name. Close the quotation mark, close brackets, hit enter. Behold, you've successfully transformed this office clown's name into a professional email address. Copy and paste it down the list and enjoy your newfound power. Let me know if you found this guide easy, useful, or mildly confusing in a charming way. Don't judge too harshly. If Keira Knightley can make a career out of one facial expression, there's hope for a failed comedian teaching Excel.